If you want to delete all messages in Telegram, whether it's to clean up a private chat or fully clear out a conversation, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. This is especially useful if you want to remove old messages, organize your chats, or simply start fresh with someone on Telegram. Before we begin, if this video helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump into it. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. Once Telegram opens, look through your chat list and click on the conversation you want to clear. Make sure you select the correct chat because this action will remove messages from that specific conversation. After the chat window opens, go to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. This menu contains the chat options and settings you need for this process. From the drop-down list, choose Clear History. Telegram will then show you a confirmation screen, giving you options before you permanently remove the messages. On that confirmation window, check the box that says Also Delete for the other person. This is the important step if you want the messages removed from both sides of the conversation. After that, click Clear to confirm. Telegram will now delete the chat history based on the options you selected. In just a few seconds, your conversation will be cleared and the messages will be removed. And that's it, you've successfully deleted all messages in Telegram using Telegram Desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fast and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.